After watching this video, please give this recipe a try. It's so delicious and I hope you will like it. Hello lovelies, let's get started. For my choice of protein, I'm using soft chicken wings. I've already washed. Now I'm going to chop some onions, ginger and garlic, transfer the chicken in a pot, add my preferred spices, mix very well to combine. I'm going to add little water, cover and allow it to cook for 6 to 8 minutes. You guys, this is soft chicken, so you don't want to cook it for so long, otherwise it will start falling apart. So keep an eye on it. We will come back to it shortly. Meanwhile, I'll prep my other ingredients. You guys, this is fried rice and beans, so I'm going to be using bell peppers, red, green and yellow bell peppers. I've got some fresh curry leaves, onions, white and purple onions. So I'm going to chop them up and set aside. Once that is done, I will check on the chicken. It's been 8 minutes. As you can see, it's still intact. I'm going to scoop it out of the stock. At this point, you can grill, air fry or fry as I will be doing. So I'm going to heat up some vegetable oil, transfer the chicken and allow it to fry until golden brown. In the same oil, I will add my chopped onions and curry leaf and allow it to fry until translucent. Next, I will add my chopped bell peppers, paprika powder, white pepper, and seasoning cubes. Mix very well to combine. Next, I will add my rice as well as my 80% cooked beans. I will give it a good mix. I'm going to add my chicken stock, more water that will be enough to cook the rice and beans, but not too much. Just add water to the level of what you have in the pot. Then test for salt and adjust the seasoning. I'm going to cover with parchment paper or foil to trap in the heat and cook on a medium to low heat until it dries up. At this time, I check on it and it has dried without burning. That is why you should cook on a medium to low heat. You don't make this type of food in a rush, otherwise it will burn and you don't want that. I'm going to add the fried chicken on top of the rice to heat it up. You guys, this rice and beans is giving everything it's supposed to give. It turned out really nice and I hope you give it a try. Save and enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.